Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on April 8, 2026, about 5 days ago. Well, it shows that the main challenge for multimodal large language models, which are AI systems that can process text, images, and even 3D data together, is a lack of domain-specific knowledge, and that fine-tuning a small 3 billion parameter model can boost accuracy by 91%. The paper is titled Forge: Fine-Grained Multimodal Evaluation for Manufacturing Scenarios, and the implications for training specialized industrial models are quite significant. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Figure 1 summarizes the Forge benchmark pipeline, which moves beyond simple object recognition to evaluate how multimodal large language models handle technical manufacturing details. These details, or fine-grained domain semantics, involve identifying exact model numbers for components instead of general categories. Panel A shows how images and 3D point clouds, which represent objects as sets of coordinates in space, are used across tasks like workpiece verification. While previous benchmarks were coarse-grained, Panel B illustrates that Forge requires precise identification. Finally, Panel C uses radar charts to compare 18 models, highlighting the performance gap between open-source and closed-source systems. So, while Figure 1 showed the Forge pipeline, Table 1 now compares it against several other benchmarks to highlight how it fills existing gaps. While most previous datasets rely solely on images or synthetic data, which refers to artificially generated scenes rather than those captured in the real world, Forge is unique because it combines images with 3D point clouds. It is also the only benchmark to offer model number granularity, helping models distinguish between nearly identical parts. With about 13,000 samples, Forge provides a much more detailed foundation for testing industrial AI. While Table 1 positioned this benchmark within the field, Figure 2 details the 3 core tasks used to evaluate these models. The left panel covers workpiece verification, where a model must identify incorrect parts in a batch, such as distinguishing an M16 nut from an M20, in the center. Structural surface inspection requires detecting microscopic defects like cracks using 3-view projections, which are 2D renderings of a 3D object from the front, side, and top. Finally, assembly verification on the right tests whether an AI understands complex rules for how parts fit together, because it must identify missing or extra components like redundant washers. Table 3 details the main performance results across all tasks and models, using accuracy as the primary metric. Open-source models like KimiK 2.5 and the large Qwen 3 VL235B generally perform well, often beating the random baseline by wide margins. In the workpiece verification task, the top-performing models reach about 85% accuracy, which is much higher than the 25% expected by chance. However, performance drops significantly in surface inspection, where models struggle to detect microscopic defects, even with reference images. While Table 3 showed a performance drop, Table 4 presents a bottleneck analysis to see if poor visual grounding or locating objects is the cause. The single image results indicate that most models identify parts with nearly 98% accuracy. However, cross-image matching, which involves finding parts across different photos, is harder since scores drop toward 80%. These results suggest the real challenge lies in technical knowledge rather than basic vision. Well, Table 4 showed that a lack of domain knowledge was the bottleneck, so Figure 6 demonstrates how supervised fine-tuning helps overcome it. Supervised fine-tuning is a process of training an existing AI model on specific data to teach it new skills or domain knowledge. For the workpiece verification task using 3-view projections, the small Qwen 2.5 VL3B model improves from about 28% to nearly 54% accuracy. This nearly 91% relative gain shows that even a compact model can learn specialized manufacturing reasoning. On the assembly verification task using images, fine-tuning leads to a more modest gain from 24 to about 31%. Alright, Forge demonstrates that the path toward autonomous manufacturing depends more on technical knowledge than basic vision. By proving that compact models achieve significant gains through supervised fine-tuning, this work offers a practical way to deploy specialized multimodal large language models without massive compute power. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.